And howdy, Hornets. You've been working on Lesson 9, Colonial America, the English Colonies. The important thing I want you to take away from this lesson, I want you to understand that there were three distinct regions in the American colonies. There were the southern colonies, which would lead to more slavery because of warm climate and great farming. There was a middle region, which was great for farming mostly wheat and things that they needed in places like New Jersey. That middle section became very big as the breadbasket of the American colony. The South was growing cotton and tobacco, and the middle was growing wheat and things that the American colonies needed. And of course, New York, is a big trading area. So the middle area was more about trade. And then finally, you've got New England, which was like a carbon copy of actual England, hence why it was New England, and was mostly surrounded by fishing villages and was there for more religious reasons. There's far more things to know, and I just gave you this as kind of a little bit of a help in case you're not following the story very well. Now, one thing I do want to discuss before you get to elaborate. And elaborate, you're going to do a flip grid with 4 questions. I have a couple things I have to tell you so that you'll do the best job you possibly can. 1, whenever you're answering these, do not just answer them from the top of your head. I want you to use this. You must use your sentence starters. This will ensure that you answer things correctly. Fill in the blank with what you think it is and practice, and then record your response. If you think you can say it better or in more detail, that's fine. But sentence starters are here if you do not know what to say. Do not ever record IDK, I do not know, because your answer is right here. Fill in the blank and repeat it back to me as best you can, unless you can just straight up answer the question, in which case, go ahead. All right, one more final note before you get ready to compare the 3 regions, which were once again New England, Middle, and South. There are a few things you need to know. Obviously, this is geared more toward my ESL class, but this still applies to any speaking Flipgrid activity. Even if you're in Skipper's class, this will be useful. Always plan out what you're going to say by writing down a script. Make sure that you practice that script over and over again, and make sure that you record after you've practiced. Try not to record any more than you absolutely have to. The real trick is write down that script and practice it over and over again. So when you do make your recording, it is crisp, clear, easy to understand, and able to get the best possible grade or result. All right, let these style points guide you. Let my little description of the 3 colonies give you a verbal reminder of what the 3 regions are. And good luck on your flip grid. Can't wait to show this off in class and show how good you're doing.